Hi, I'm Dan. I'm not a real estate agent. I actually own this apartment. Welcome to my home. I picked Robina because I was looking for that balance between work and lifestyle, and when I looked around all the areas of the Gold Coast and I was looking from the far north to the far south, Robina was just a place that stood out. I mean, it's got everything here. I love the fact that, you've got a great commercial area, but you're also so close to all of the shops and restaurants and cafes and that kind of thing. And I love just being able to walk downstairs and be a minute from my local cafe. We're going to grab a coffee or a little bit of lunch. And I love the fact that I can actually just walk 3 minutes down the road. And I'm at Robina Town Centre. I mean, it's one of the best shopping centres in all of Queensland. Robina's a really special place for me. It's a place that's got all the conveniences that you could ever ask for. Great parks, great restaurants, great cafes. It's just got that perfect blend of lifestyle that I really just enjoy. I was really drawn to this apartment because it was just so different to anything else that I saw on the market, and I was looking for months. I mean, it recently had a $200,000 renovation on it, and the fixtures and the finishes were just at a level that you just don't see anywhere else in Robina. So in terms of what's available in the area, I actually think it's the best apartment on the market. This apartment is really special from the fact that it's got 2 master bedroom suites. If I could actually take this apartment and move to where I'm going, I would pick it up and take it with me, but unfortunately I can't.
We hope you enjoyed the tour and look forward to catching you at our next inspection.